Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial by Aiden's Cuts. Today I'm going to be showing you how I approach a modern slick back haircut paired with the low burst taper on the sides. The first step is always to completely saturate the hair. From here I start by graduating the back and removing any unnecessary weight through the sides. This scissor work is all about building strong foundation and clean structure before we even touch the clippers. Once the structure is done, I'll walk you through how I create a clean and fresh taper that really helps you stand out from competition. Before moving on, make sure the hair is completely dry. This is super important for clean clipper work. To start the fade, I always like to debulk the sides first. This creates a clean canvas and allows me to clearly see how high I can take the fade. Next step, I like to grab the trimmers and set in a low triangular guideline. Once that's in, I foil everything out underneath to get a clean base. From here, I go with my Gamma Shorty clipper with no guard all the way open and go slightly above what I just did, remembering to mimic that triangular shape I just created with my trimmers. Next, I move on to my number one guard, always starting open first and then closing my one guard all the way. After that, I repeat the same process using my 0.5 guard, starting always open and then always closing it to remove that bottom line. To finish the fade, I finally close the clipper all the way and just flick out that bottom line that's still there from the trimmers. Once we're happy with the fade, I finally move on to lining up the haircut, taking time to carefully detail everything to really enhance the fade as best as possible. This final detailing step is what really makes the fade look crispy, clean and professional. My boy's trying to ruin the shot. The last step to complete the haircut is adding enhancements. This step is completely optional, but it's a great way to elevate the cut, stand out from a client's previous barber, and make the haircut more memorable. Finally, I clean everything up with the razor finish, apply some product to style it, and take a moment to capture the quality content. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any recommendations or questions at all, drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.